Hi everyone, a warm good morning to all. My little ones, how are you all? I really feel a little jealous while looking at you. Do you know why? Because now you are going through a very beautiful part of your life, that is your school days. Now you all had a lot of dreams in you, right? Today or tomorrow, you all wish all these dreams to happen, is it? So if you want to make your dreams true and if you want to lead a successful life, the first thing that you need in your life is self-respect. That means you must learn to respect yourself. Respect is always a feeling that fills positivity in everyone. Self-respect basically means to love ourselves and believe in ourselves. Once we start to respect ourselves, we will automatically create a mind to show respect to others too. Lack of self-respect will always bring negative concerns and attitude for the person. It's common that such people also suffer through a major lack of self-confidence. Self-respect is a reflection that shows how matured we are, how confident we are. These two things, that is, maturity and confidence, make us feel great and make us believe that we are not less than anyone. When we have a self-respect, that will also reflect to the things that we do. Whether it's our studies, our work, or whatever it is. A person with self-esteem will always stand for their rights, values, opinion, and all others that comes in their life. We know that morality is one of the important things that we all need in our life. So, self-respect improves the morality and ethics of a person that make him a perfect human being. It's important that we must respect ourselves. We should not degrade our mind. If we despise ourselves, we will never rise and we will not command the respect of others. So, respect yourself, then only we will be respected by others. Thank you.